So anyone familiar with the map of Hua Hin will always find the hills in the central point. And if you're looking at the seafront, you'll see these jetties jut out here, here, and a few down here, and they all kind of like specialise in seafood. So we've got a viewpoint here, so I'm just going to take you through. And let's get a nice cold drink. I've just been down and had a look at a couple of the menus on a few of the other ones. We also seem to be serving really, really delicious looking fish. So I think I know where I'm coming for dinner later. It's not the most competitively priced, but food does look very fresh. The kitchens are open, so you can see exactly what you're cooking. They look great. There we go. I think they're preparing all the herbs. Bit windy today. Hello. Can I get a Coke? Coca-Cola? Do you work here? It's okay. I'm not quite sure what it works here. Bit of a language barrier. Okay, so there you go. That's your landmark building in Hilton. All the jetties that just come out offering food, and they tend to be specialised in seafood dishes. There you go. There's quite a few of them. There's another one just here. Okay. The wind's up today, as you can hear, the sea's quite choppy. So I'll conclude the video here. If you like this kind of walk-through content, it's my first time to Hua Hin. I'm just going to document my travels while I'm here. You go, look at sea coming in. Do give my little channel a like and subscribe. It helps my little channel grow. And catch me on the next one. Okay, thank you for watching.